Listen how crazy. I took a fucking a mini grind into this thing, and chain is still getting pretty close. But yeah, she's back, better than ever. Couple plans that I had. I want to make kind of a wheelie tutorial, kind of more of an intermediate tutorial, you know, and let guys know kind of how I'm riding wheelies, you know, how I hold them up, how I learned to use the brake and shit. I also have a bike life adventure video that I have to put out, another one. I don't really want to put 3 bike life videos in a row, you know what I mean? See the same shit over. Getting a little better at the one-handers too. Kind of found the trick to it. This is where my boy Dave busted his ass. Never even noticed this oak alley right here. I'm about to take a badass picture of my bike. Yeah, my bike wasn't starting and I pulled over. So, this is your driveway, man?
Huh?
Is this your driveway?
It's not mine, but all this is mine. I look out for it for this guy.
It's a beautiful driveway, man, but like I said, I'm trying to get my bike started. Sorry about that. That dude. Hit 5 on 4, please. Appreciate it. You have a good one. Fucking hate assholes like that. Like, dude, I wasn't fucking driving down the driveway, motherfucker. Come out there and act all bad. I'm about to go back and fucking bust a old stupid wheelie by him. I want to show you guys this fucking bike jump I built. So you hit it and jump over them little palm trees. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a video of me hitting it. Alright guys, so you know, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to throw me a like, comment, let me know what you thought, and if you want to see more, be sure to subscribe. But till next time guys, y'all take it easy.